Hi everyone, I'm back again with another video, and this video will be all about what's inside my handbag. So this is the bag that I'm using as of now, and this has been gifted to me by my sister-in-law, so thank you so much Payaldi for that. And this is by Burberry. As you guys can see, it's been encrypted here, so it's by Burberry. This is the bag which is one of my favorites, I can say, because I really like the detailing here, the stripes, as you can see, these checks. I really like this particular texture as well, and also the color combination of this. So it's this beige and black plus red, so it really complements the color combination. Let's just quickly see what's inside my bag, right? Because it has been requested by a lot of you there, and a lot of friends as well asked me as to what is the essentials that we can actually carry on a day-to-day basis. So let's just quickly see what's there. All right, this is a very important stuff. So because it's very hot outside and we need to protect ourselves, so we need to go ahead and carry a pair of sunglasses without a fail. I'm sure all of you guys know that the skin area around your eyes is the most delicate one, so we really need to protect them without a fail. So this is very important. So what I do is I make sure that I carry my pair of sunglasses without a fail. So see, that's how I look. So I make sure that I carry these babies along with me every day without a failure. So that's what I do, and you need to carry them as well, just to make sure that you protect your eyes without a fail. Next thing that I have inside my bag is this. So this is the case for my spectacles. Yes, my eyes are a little weak, so I make sure that every time I go outside I carry a pair of glasses with me, because I have to work on systems and it actually irritates my eye. So I make sure that I carry my specs without a failure, and it helps me further. So yes, that's something that I do not forget to really carry with me. So that's another thing. I've kept it again. Next is this. So this is a cute pink pouch with a lot of flowers printed on it, and let's see what's inside. As you guys can see, there's a lot of wires inside, right? So I'll just let you know what these wires are for. So this is my iPhone data cable. As I have two phones, so I have to make sure that every time I travel or I go outside my house, I carry a pair of data cables with me, so that one for my iPhone and the other one for my Android phone I've got here, in case I have to transfer anything, any data from a PC or a laptop outside. It's easy for me, or if I have to get anything printed, or any of the information that needs to be transferred from my cell phones to any other medium, it's really easy for me to go ahead and do this. Next I've got in my pouch is this is called OTG. So I do not know the full form of OTG. It says that so it is useful. I connect this end to my Android, and I connect a pen drive to this, so that in case I have to transfer any data from my pen drive to my cell phone or vice versa, it's easier for me to do that as well. Next is this. It's a card reader. So I do not really use this very often, but yes, I've kept it because you never know where you need it. So yes, and the last but not the least is my pen drive. This is by SanDisk. That's correct. So I make sure that I carry these stuff, because you never know when you might just need them, and they are a lifesaver. So I just go ahead and keep them with me. Next with me is a very important thing, and that's my diary. That's my diary. So what I do is, every day if I have anything planned, or if I have something that I need to take care of the next day or for the following days, I make sure that I write this. See, I have my papers, everything has been mentioned here, so I make sure that I write this, write everything into this particular diary that I carry. Then I have my pen, which is very important again. Next is my wallet. So this is by A1. Again, it's a gifted thing, so I got a gift from A1. And let's just quickly go ahead and see what's inside. So I have my cards over here. I have some cash here, some papers over here. Let me just quickly secure this. Alright, and I have a nice zip pouch again. So I have a little coins in here and a few papers. So that's what I have in my wallet. Next will be this. I am pretty sure that every girl owns at least a small bottle of lactic calamine. So this is a lifesaver in the scorching heat outside. If you plan to wash your face, I think this is a lifesaver. any day, because it not only suits your skin, it makes it nice, it does not irritate the skin, it's just fantastic. So it is indeed a lifesaver, a must to be carried in your bag. Next, coming a long way, a comb. You never know when you have to attend a meeting, you never know when you have to plan and go out with friends. So I think a comb makes you look a bit more, neat and tidy. So I think this works really well. I carry it. All right, again, talking about the scorching heat, I think this is again a very, very important element that you need to carry into your bag, and that is a sunscreen. So I personally like Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock, which has an SPF of 50. Guys, it is a must buy. This product over here works fantastically well. It does not leave a white cast. It is absolutely matte. At least on my skin, it works really well. So any which ways, I'm a Neutrogena fan, so this works really well for me. Okay, coming upon. Now I do carry a strip of mint with me, because fresh breath is what you want, right? So I just go ahead and carry that with me as well. Then a pair of clutchers. This is something that no matter how much you buy, you just lose it here and there. So I make sure that I carry this. I have this beautiful shade that I just recently bought. This is by NYX. So I make sure that I carry 1 or 2 lipsticks with me every day on my, inside my bag, because you never know when you have to, there's a sudden change of plan and you might need one. So yes, this is very important. I do carry this as well. Then I carry a lip balm as well. This is by, I hope you guys can see, this is by Baby Lips by Maybelline. And what else is there? Alright, now the smallest part here is this. So it looks small, but it's very, very heavy. So I have a lot of change in here. I am not too sure whether you guys can see. So I have a habit of collecting coins. No, absolutely not, of different countries, but yes, because you need change the most. So I carry all my change chillers in this particular bag, so that if I need them, I have it here at a secure place. Alright, next will be a sanitizer, and this is by Lifebuoy. I hope you guys can see. Very important. You might not always get a place where you can wash your hands, so at least a sanitizer is a safeguard. So yes, another will be Gulabari face spray. So all you need to do is just spray it on your face and you're good to go. So it actually freshens up the face and your mood as well. Next, let's just quickly check what I've got here. Then I've got a pair of a rubber band here with me, a card that I need to just go ahead and check who it is. Yes, very important, paper soap. You never know when you might need it, as I said, so it is again a savior. Alright, let's just quickly check what else I've got here. So I've got Lakme lip tint as well here. So as I told you, I make sure that I carry 1 or 2 lipsticks with me in my bag. So that's again one of the lipsticks that I carry every day with me. Let's just quickly check what else I've got here. Alright, so in case of emergencies, you never know when something reacts to your body and you need an I carry this as well, and a painkiller as well with me, which is Meftal Spas. I make sure that I carry this every time I go outside, because you don't know when you might just need them. Yeah, so that's all with me today. That was all in my bag for today. If you guys would like to share what specific things do you like to carry in your handbag, guys, do comment below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, any feedback, do let me know in the comments box below. Apart from this, if you have any specific requests that you guys want me to do, I'll be more than happy to get that done for you. Thank you.